This is Dan with Good Made Better, here to give you some tips on what to do if your Penwell stops sticking. So the Penwell has a microsuction pad on the bottom that suctions not only to your writing surface, but it also suctions really well to dust, any other debris. And so doing, it's coating the surface, it's losing its stick. Now we recommend two ways of cleaning it. The first and maybe simplest, if you happen to have just some office tape, some of the frosted tape, use that and use it like a lint roller. We would recommend you use caution when doing this. If you'd have an extra aggressive tape and it catches the edge, it could tear the pad. Generally it's not an issue, but just be wary when you first do it, make sure it works. Otherwise, another easy way is just to use lint-free cloth, get it dampened with water, wash it down. You're just washing the dust off. Give it a few minutes to dry so the pores of the microsuction can dry and it will be ready to stick again. Another issue if it's not sticking and you do that and it's still not sticking, you may have a contaminated surface that you're sticking it to. If you've used any furniture polishes or any type of cleaners like that, they can leave an oily residue and kind of wreak havoc with the microsuction. Usually the pad can still be cleaned up. If that's still not working, then clean. It's a good thing to do it anytime. Clean your writing surface with just a soap and water mix. Don't use any other chemicals beyond that. It can make a world of difference in getting things back to normal. So if you ever have problems beyond that, drop us a line. You can find our contact information at goodmadebetter.com. We're always happy to help. Thanks.